Sonny, what the fuck is going on here?
Huh? What do you mean?
This place. Why is the window open and why is the PlayStation remote half hanging out the window? And the PlayStation and the camera that was sitting up there.
Oh no, I'm sorry. I fell asleep. I think we got robbed.
Oh, you don't say. What's the point of having a dog if you're going to sleep through something like this? It's absolutely ridiculous. As of tomorrow, I'm training you to be a better dog. Sonny, wake up. It's day one of you becoming a better dog. Today, I'm going to teach you to fetch a paper.
Why?
Because that's what normal dogs do. Come on. Now, when I say fetch, you go over there, get the paper, bring it back to me. Capiche?
Look at me. I'm a pug. Do you think I know what capiche means?
I don't care. Go and fetch the damn paper.
If you want it so bad, why don't you get it yourself? God gave you legs for a reason. Ugh, why are humans so needy?
Wake up, Sonny. I've decided if I can't teach you to do something simple like fetch the paper, I'm at least going to teach you to bark at strangers.
Why would I bark at someone? That's ludicrous. I love everyone.
Because if somebody tries to break into the house again, I need you to bark and scare them off. Dogs are supposed to guard the house. Oh, here's a perfect opportunity. Look, Sonny. There's someone. Bark, bark, bark. Get him.
Why would I waste my time barking at someone walking past? That's absolutely redonkulous. Have you heard yourself, Daniel?
You're not a dog. You're a sloth. Sonny. Sonny. Wake up. We're going for a walk now. Sonny, let's go.
What's this?
A lead. We're going for a walk.
A walk? Where?
Around the block. Does it really matter where? All that matters is you need to stop being so lazy.
Ouch. Stop it. That hurts.
It's not supposed to hurt you much. If you would just cooperate, this wouldn't be so hard. Why is everything got to be so fucking goddamn difficult? Okay, yeah. So that's $200 for the whole package? And will he be in his own kennel or shared with other misbehaved dogs? Okay, yep. And the training methods? That sounds great. I'll be in touch with you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Shit.
Sonny?
Yeah, mate?
Did you maybe want to go for a walk?
Sure. It's nice outside. my property!
Can't believe it, buddy. You've improved so much.
No, 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 no.
Get him, get him.
No,
Get
no,
him.
no.
Good boy. Come on, good boy, good boy. Showed him. That's what I've been talking about, mate. Good boy, good boy. That wasn't that difficult, was it, buddy?
Oh.
Good man. Come on. Well done. Well done. Right, go get yourself a drink. See you, Sonny. I'll see you when I get home from work.
Not in my house!
Sonny, it's just me.
What the squeaker? What are you talking about?
It was all a test, Sonny. You passed.
I still don't get it.
Never mind, Sonny. Let's go get you some food, mate.
Oh.